Hola Bafethu, this is Dodge from PSL Pulse, Premier Soccer League Pulse Bafethu. Football runs in our veins. Like it's Kiteri Mr. P. Mr. P, game ya fana go ibona jwang ataka?
Game ya fana it was very good, and by the way, before we start, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. I was here to hate watch, but the hate watch went wrong.
Didn't work.
It was bad.
Yeah,
it was pain straight to the heart. Because we are playing on the 26th of February derby. Mara singahlangana nabo ku Black Label so bengizocheck ukuthi who is who. So good one.
All right, so Pethu, this win here Orlando Pirates simply means that the Pirates overtakes the Kaizer Chiefs. How do you feel about that?
Well, it's overtaken how many points? 1 point. Who will come back? Who will come back? Mina bengizobuka intwana yami angifuna ukukhuluma into eziningi. John Wick to the world uMasindi unumber 15 bafethu. Ayinto engenza ukuthi ngize Orlando Stadium no bhutwami la.
Ngitshele ngaye ucabanga ngaye.
uJohn Wick intwana ekhulele eshawela bafethu bedlala ebhuqini, bedlala ama tournament ekasi, bedlala eThatha. Hey siyayazi le ntwana izothatha ischeme first 11 bafethu. Mara next season hopefully uzoswitch ama side as a natural.
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu, even though the game was about Orlando Pirates, but you did mention that you are a Kaizer Chiefs fan. So mobhekile mfethu Kaizer Chiefs this season in terms of position, what position are you expecting as a Kaizer Chiefs fan?
Wona butwami i-competition ithathu ngeke ngicambe amanga, I'm a lover of football but I'm a supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, but i-competition ithathu so thola ukuthi thina masiyodlala siyothopa i-Pirates mina nama ibuye isithophe ngoba uyabona nesikhukhuneka kabi fair nathi manje this is a tough competition so bona mara amabhaka juju sazohlangana nani sazonishaya.
Usho kanje?
Sisho kanje.
Okay, my last question mfethu iKhaleng Black Label yaqala khona manje. Mobhekile what are your expectations from the Khaleng Black Label Cup?
Okay, my expectation with Khaleng Black Label sinentwana ezincane ezibuyekas just like you have seen today. I'm here to watch football. iPirates yagijima, it's playing itiki-taka. Masingabheka ngale ku-Kaizer Chiefs asikakabi solidated to a point. Sinamaplayer amaningi esiwasayinile but awakakadlali emdlalweni. Apha niyayazi utshwalo bethu iBlack Label yethu iyophelela laphayana bathi kuphi FNB.
Mr. P, ngiyabonga mfethu. Bafethu, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share Bafethu. Once and always, up the parks.